Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Device Manager so you can add the keyboard driver. Press Windows key plus X or right-click Start, then choose Device Manager. Accept any UAC prompt. Once there, expand keyboards or scan for an unknown device if nothing appears. If your keyboard is USB, plug it in now and wait a few seconds for detection. You're initiating the hardware layer so Windows can see the device. This step is essential before adding or updating drivers. You'll now add or update the keyboard driver. Right-click the keyboard entry or unknown device and pick Update Driver. If the device isn't listed, choose Add Legacy Hardware from the Action menu. Once prompted, pick Browse My Computer for drivers to install a downloaded driver, or select Search automatically so Windows tries online. If you need a specific driver, choose Let Me Pick from a list and select HID keyboard device or the vendor driver. This gives you control over which driver is installed. Finish by restarting the PC to let the new driver bind to hardware. Once rebooted, confirm the keyboard is listed under Keyboards and Test Keys. If it still fails, return to Device Manager, right-click the keyboard and choose Uninstall Device, then reboot to force Windows to reinstall it. If a phantom entry blocks install, enable View right arrow show hidden devices to remove ghost entries. If problems persist, try a different USB port or install the manufacturer's driver package for best compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.